Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your iPad. First, make sure your iPad is updated to iPad OS 13.4 or a newer version, as this is essential for mouse support. Next, confirm that your Bluetooth mouse is compatible with Apple devices. Then, open the Settings app on your iPad, tap on Bluetooth, and toggle the switch to the on position. This prepares your iPad to discover new accessories. We're ready for the next step. Now that Bluetooth is active on your iPad, it's time to pair your mouse. Locate the pairing button on your Bluetooth mouse, usually on the bottom, and press and hold it until its indicator light begins to flash. This signals that the mouse is in discovery mode. On your iPad, under the Bluetooth settings, you should see your mouse's name appear in the Other Devices list. Simply tap on its name, and your iPad will connect to it, usually within a few seconds. Once connected, you can personalize your mouse experience. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and select Pointer Control. Here, you can adjust the tracking speed of your mouse pointer, making it move faster or slower across the screen. You can also toggle natural scrolling on or off, depending on your preference. Furthermore, explore the secondary click option to customize what happens when you perform a right click, offering more control over your iPad. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, ensure both your iPad and mouse have sufficient battery life and are within a range of about 10 meters. If the connection is unstable, try forgetting the device in your iPad's Bluetooth settings and then repairing it. A simple restart of both your iPad and the mouse can also resolve many common problems. Remember, a stable connection enhances your productivity, so these tips are quite helpful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.